Now, in the earlier section, we set up our VM and we also set up how you can use the full screen window. So what we did, we go to the devices and we clicked on insert cast addition cd image, and then we run a command like sudo and installed a Linux edition. Now we can full screen, of course, by typing right control plus F. The right control acts as a host key in VMbox. Now let's see how you can enable the SSH service. So for now, suppose if you need to RDP to this VM from your local host, how you can do that. So for that, I will open a terminal. Okay, now it has opened a terminal. Again, we will go through all the commands one by one. So for enabling SSH, first we need to see if your Linux VM is reachable by your main host. So for that, I will go to VMbox Manager. I will go to Settings. Then I will go to Networks and I will make change from NAT to bridge adapter. So it will make a bridge connection from your VM to your host so that it is reachable. So I will click on OK after that. Now I will go to the VM and in here I will search for any services running with SSHD. Okay. So also to make sure if my SSH is running, I will select SSH localhost. I think the connection was refused. So what I will do, I will see for the package dpkg-l. I will see anything related to SSH-server. I will get that. I will update my all packages. I will enter my password. I will pause the video once it will be done. Okay, now it has installed. I will go ahead and install my packages by apt-get command. Open SSH-server and open SSH-client. I will give my confirmation by typing yes. Why? Okay, now it has done. I will again type. Now I will start my services by sudo service SSH start. Hit enter. It has started my service. Let's check. Process EF hyphen grep SSHD. Now it is running. Now the SSH service is enabled. Now we need to see how we can check our IP. We have already made the changes to change it to net to bridge adapter. Now let's verify our IP address. So the second one and this one is the IP that we are concerned about. And let's other also gather our user info by typing whoami command. So it's DevOps. Now let's go ahead and try to take RDP into SSH connection to it. So for making a SSH connection, we would need on Windows we would need Putty. So Putty is a SSH connection manager. So I will install it. I will install 64-bit. I will click on show in folder and I will hit on next. Next, install. Yes. I will not view readme file and click on finish. I will go ahead and search for putty. I will open it. Now in the host name, I will search for the IP address that I discovered from here. It is 192.168.1.11. I will click on open. I will click accept. How do you want to log in as? So I will log in as DevOps because my user was DevOps. I will hit next. What's your password? Give it your password and hit next. Now there you go. You have your VM now. So how you would verify that? So ask me later. I will go to terminal. I will see where am I. I will go to CD desktop. I will create a file.txt. So here on my desktop folder, it has created. Now in my SSH connection, I will go same and I will go to CD desktop. If I will list, so you can see my file is there. So hooray, you have made it and you have created a SSH connection from your local host Windows host to your Linux VM. So that's it for this video. In upcoming video, we will learn the basic terminal commands. So thank you all.